Hey there, tech lovers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make sense of your shopping madness. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. That's right, we're comparing the Segotep 750W power supply and the NZXT 850 PSU. You know, those little boxes that keep your gaming rig alive and your dreams intact? First up, let's talk about the price. The Segotep comes in at a wallet-friendly $99, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers. Amazon reviewers rave about its value for money, emphasizing its quality and reliability. On the other hand, the NZXT 850 struts in with a price tag of $139. Reviewers appreciate its quality, but often mention that it's a bit of a splurge. So if you're on a budget, Segotep is your best friend. Now, let's plug into efficiency. The Segotep boasts an 80 PLS Gold certification with a stellar 91.8% efficiency at typical load. Reviewers highlight its efficiency and quiet operation, making it a great choice for high-end components. Meanwhile, the NZXT claims to be 2% more efficient at 50% load. Users appreciate its efficiency and modular design, although some find the cables a bit stiff. For eco-conscious gamers, NZXT might be the pick. Next up, modularity. Both of these beauties are fully modular. The Segotep's design makes cable management easy, and users love its flat cables for their neatness. The NZXT, meanwhile, also boasts a modular design, but reviewers note the rigidity of some cables, making them slightly harder to manage. Both are stylish, but Segotep gets a nod for ease of use. Compatibility time. The Segotep supports NVIDIA's RTX 2030 series and has a PCIe 5.0 port. Reviewers love its ability to handle high-end setups without breaking a sweat. The NZXT is also highly compatible, fitting most ATX cases and supporting the latest GPUs. Both are popular choices, but Segotep seems to edge out for those looking to future-proof their builds. Finally, let's talk stability and protection. The Segotep features a native 1.2 VHPWR cable that can handle up to 600W, with users praising its reliability during power surges. The NZXT has a microcontroller for monitoring and protection, which reviewers appreciate as it keeps their systems safe. Both offer excellent protection, but Segotep is often seen as the more robust option. Overall, the reviews for both power supplies are quite positive. The Segotep 750W is frequently praised for its affordability, reliability, and ability to handle high-end components, making it a favorite among PC builders. The NZXT 850, while pricier, is celebrated for its efficiency and modular design, appealing to users looking for a stylish and high-performance PSU. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a budget-friendly powerhouse, the Segotep 750W is your best bet. But if you want that extra efficiency and a touch of style, the NZXT 850 might be worth the splurge. Just remember, whether you go Segotep or NZXT, you're still going to be a gamer with a killer setup. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this showdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which PSU you'd choose. Until next time, keep your volts high and your cable management on point. See ya!